Hello students, today I am going to explain autosomal inheritance. So, first we see what is autosomal inheritance. In human somatic cell which is diploid having 23 pairs of chromosomes. They can be divided functionally as autosomes and sex chromosome. Single pair of chromosome is involved in sex determination. It is either XX or XY, XX in female, XY in male. Remaining 22 pairs are called as autosomes, which control variety of traits other than sex. These traits are called as autosome linked traits, and transmission of body characters from parents to offspring through autosomes is called as autosomal inheritance. In autosomal inheritance, some characters are influenced by dominant genes, while some characters are influenced by recessive genes present on autosomes. Now we will see what is the example of dominant and recessive trait. Autosomal dominant traits are widow's peak and Huntington's disease, etc. We will see afterwards about widow's peak. Now we will see about the Huntington's disease. Huntington's disease is caused, this is a disorder which is caused by a single defective gene present on chromosome number 4. And in this disease, nerve cells in the brain break down over time. It typically starts, that disorder is typically start in the person at the age of 30 or 40. Then autosomal recessive trait. Examples are phenylketonuria, which is called as PKU, cystic fibrosis and sickle cell anemia. Cystic fibrosis is an inherited life-threatening disorder that damages the lungs and digestive system of person. Cystic fibrosis affects the cells that produce mucus, sweat and digestive juices. It causes this fluid to become thick and sticky so that they blocks tubes, ducts and passage cells. Then sickle cell anemia. It is also an inherited group of disorder in which RBC at the deficiency of oxygen becomes sickle-like, as a result of which cells are die early, leaving a shortage of healthy RBC and can block blood flow. Maximum lifespan of sickle cell anemic persons is 48 years in women and 42 years in men. So these are the disorders caused by recessive trait and dominant trait. Now we will see about the widow's peak, and a prominent V-shaped hairline on forehead is described as widow's peak, which is seen in the figure, and it is autosomal dominant gene is responsible for widow's peak. Homozygous dominant condition, that is capital W and heterozygous condition capital W small w is responsible for widow's peak. Then next disease is phenylketonuria. Phenylketonuria is a rare metabolic disorder that affects the way the body breaks down protein. It is an inborn metabolic disorder caused due to recessive autosomal gene, and PKU gene is inherited from both parents, from mother and father also. It is an inborn metabolic disorder caused due to recessive autosomal genes. When recessive genes are present in homozygous condition, phenylalanine hydroxylase enzyme is not produced. This enzyme is essential for conversion of amino acid phenylalanine into tyrosine. Due to absence of this enzyme, phenylalanine is not converted into tyrosine. Hence, phenylalanine and its derivatives are accumulated in the blood and cerebrospinal fluid (CSF). It affects the development of brain and causes mental disorder or mental retardation. Excess phenylalanine is extracted in urine, hence this disorder or disease is called as phenylketonuria. Autosomal recessive traits appear in both sexes with equal frequency. मेल फीमेल दोनों में भी इक्वल फ्रीक्वेंसी में आता है, एंड दिस ट्रेट टेंड्स टू स्किप जनरेशंस.